Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you a couple of photo walks from the lesser known city of Greenville, South Carolina. It is a wonderful city though. Used to live there, these times I'm visiting, but I went on an early morning foggy photo walk and then I went on another photo walk on another day. It was sunny and a lot of people moving around, festival. There was actually a festival going on this day as well, though it had not kicked up at this early in the morning. But I guess there's just a lot of festivals going on this time of year. Fun times. So anyway, this is the first photo walk, and in a minute you'll see the second one. Multiple minutes, I suppose. This is the main road running through downtown. They have this blocked off. Today's festivities have not yet begun. Yesterday when we came in, it looked like it was hopping, so I presume it's going to do that again today, especially considering it's Saturday. Maybe he got one of those tumors that give him gigantism. Well, I can't complain about having the cars out of the way. The bane of my existence. You know, I think if we lived in the between the 40s and the 80s, maybe even the 90s, the cars would be more welcome. Maybe if I lived then, I would have been equally annoyed. But I don't know. Cars they're not really aesthetically pleasing to me. Would you look at that? The airport has provided a wine garden. Yep. Trying to get some separation on the head. There we go. This is a beautiful suspension bridge, and it's nice to see all the trees around it. In the winter, these lose their leaves, and so you don't get this nice foliage. And there's the big waterfall. One time there was a downpour, and the river rose tremendously, and these falls got huge. Jim Cantori, famous weather guy in America, he showed up. I think it was during that same time a bunch of kayakers decided to go over the falls, which is pretty cool. A nice tip when you have gray skies like this is to minimize the sky. And what I mean by that is point the camera down further so that there's less sky. If there is something really interesting happening in the sky, I might go up here or even up here. But today it's just gray. That's not a rule, it's just, you know, good guideline. Go across the middle. Go across the middle. Okay, I'm just gonna hold my focus. He's gonna stand, or sit down, rather, the opposite of stand. He's gonna lay down. Okay, I can work with that. I want him to walk across the middle, but you know, what can you do? He's not one of my paid models today. Basically, when the photos are really good, that means I paid the person in the photo. Oh, there's an angle. Hey, that kind of works, I guess. All right, now we're gonna go over the waterfall. Okay, we could get the cyclist right in the middle. That might be nice. See how that plays out. Oh, they're just hanging around. Oh, they're turning around. Come on, guy. What are you doing going about your way? I could go telephoto at this point. I am tempted. Get the folks going across the bridge. I find that when I do that, a lot of times I cut so much environment out that it makes things less interesting. But sometimes it can really work. What the hey? We'll give it a try. Oy. 7200mm f4. G Master. And just like that, I'm immediately a professional photographer. It's really that easy, guys. Get this person over here. Kind of hanging out. Not too tight. That's nice. Okay, I can work with that. Look at that man mildly enjoying the waterfall. Yeah, get that phone out of there. I'm being really demanding of my subjects today. It's funny as I'm at 100th of a second right now. I think the optical steady shot on the lens might be helping me out. I'm gonna bring it up though. There's the lightest drizzle. I can see it, but you can barely feel it. I mean, you guys can't feel it at all. We don't have that kind of technology yet. Either that or there's something wrong with my eyes. I do stare at screens a lot, so it's definitely possible. One of the things I like about this scene is there are layers. You have this foreground here, and then you have the bridge, and then you have there's a walkway, there's a path all the way down there. And it's a difficult shot to accomplish where you have, you know, something going on each layer. But it is possible, and when there's a possibility, there's a potentiality of probable potentiation. So yeah, a lot of times in the morning it'll start off foggy and then it'll clear up, but today just looks like it's going to be a rainy day, which atmospherically I don't mind. Hopefully it doesn't pick up too much. You know, certain cameras don't tend to like water. We might be doing a GoPro photo walk soon. Let's move along. Alright. That's nice. Alright. Back to the 16 to 35. I have sensor dust! Oh, the humanity! It's either that or it's on the lens. Yep, sensor. Oh, it's right there. Just want to grab it. Oh, I blew it. Probably not the advised method of removing sensor dust, but there you go. This is beautiful. Love the atmosphere. Okay, now we're going to transition to another day, a sunny day, and it ended up being a rather lively photo session. There was an active festival going on, tons of people downtown, and I got some photos and some portraits. It is a beautiful day in the city of Greenville, South Carolina. It's photo taking time, baby. If you guys have followed me, you know I have a 50mm 1.8 that drives me nuts because it focuses too slow. I tried once again to use it today. I tested the focus and it was way too slow. I A/B'd it with this lens and I was like, nope. So 16-35, great lens. Very busy day downtown. It's Saturday. All right, looks like an event. So this side's shadowy. I like how this side has some light. That contrast. Oh yeah.
As long as you want it, and someday leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry?
Is that Lindsay?
4 days.
Nice thing about events is that people might think you're just an event photographer, so it makes them more open. Hey, excuse me. Sorry, I didn't want to interrupt your other picture, but I think you look very interesting with your flowers.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I just get a shot of you right here?
Yeah.
How are you guys?
I thought it was
sorry,
with everybody
I'm
else.
breaking up the group here.
No.
Right, just right there. It's just so I can get some light. There we go.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
What's your name, by the way?
Alex.
I'm James.
Okay,
Good to
thank
meet
you. I don't know if I have anything in my teeth.
Right there. If it's in there, I'll take it out. Don't worry. Right there. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see here. All right. Hang tight. Just gonna adjust a little bit. Just whatever's natural for you. Don't worry
That's so
about
close. This is not natural.
it. Oh, okay, gotcha. I'll be quick. I'll be quick.
No, I'm good.
Hang tight.
Thank you.
Of course, thank you. Thank you so much, Alex.
Thank
I appreciate it.
you.
You have a good day. Do you have a phone? I have an Instagram.
Yeah, of
I just share them.
You get it.
Here, I'll find you. How about that? You guys have a good day, okay? So she was with a group, and one thing I try to do if I'm interacting with a group and I want to like pull one person out of that group is I don't want anybody in the group to feel like I'm ignoring them. So I try to look at everybody as I'm talking to the person that I want to be my subject. What's up? Yeah, I'll take your picture. How you doing, man?
Garcia.
What's your name?
Garcia.
I'm James.
Oh, that's my. I got twins.
All right.
James and Jamie.
All right, all right.
They
I got
something there.
you.
Woo!
Oh, okay.
Yeah, woo.
All right. What happened to your hand?
On my second day on the job, they told me to take the trash out. Nobody told me glass was in the trash.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No
And
good.
It came out the bottom of the bag and it split my hand.
Oh, no.
And the owner, she didn't do nothing about it. And she asked me yesterday, I called last night. She said, you gonna be at work Sunday? She said nothing about my hand.
Yeah. All right.
But all I'm doing is, I work about hours. I sleep, I'm homeless now.
I got
I'm
you.
a homeless vet, but I'm a singer here in Greenville.
Uh-huh.
They say I'm number one, but I tell God he's number one. I ain't number one.
All right. I agree with that.
You stay humble, regardless of what you do. Always stay humble.
Uh-huh.
You gotta keep giving it to you.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah. I just saw you with the camera. I was just messing with you.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Hey, can I get you in this light right here?
Yeah,
I'll take a photo.
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
I need to go home. I ain't been home since last night. Proud of you.
Oh, you mind if I walk down here with you, by the way? Sorry, I just saw that light.
Let me cover this coffee up.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you. I forget. What were you saying?
See, I know you're gonna help me go home.
Help you go home.
Yeah, I need $12.
Oh, I got you.
Okay.
I got you. I don't have any cash with me though. All I could do is maybe I can buy you a coffee or water or something like that. All right?
No, I got coffee, so I got $4. I need what? $8
Yeah.
to go home.
I got you,
I ain't
man.
been home in 9 nights.
I don't have any money for you, man.
Okay, that's
But I'll be
all right.
happy to get you water or something, get you some food.
Okay, that's all right.
All right, just right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to take you so far.
That's all right. You good? You good?
All right. Thank you, man. All right. Let's see here. All right. And thank you, man. All right. I'll let you go. I appreciate it.
All right, James.
All right, God bless.
God bless you too.
All right. I wish you the best, okay? Okay, friends, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. There are a couple of things I want you to remember. One, please don't be shy. Please feel free to engage below. I would be happy to engage with you guys. Also, I have a Skillshare class about street photography, and there's a link to that. And along with that link comes 1 month free, so feel free to check that out. Hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye. Oh, hi.